Today we're going to be utilizing a new app called Learning Ally. Learning Ally is an app that combines both ebooks and audiobooks together to give the reader the best of both worlds. You'll start by downloading the Learning Ally app to whatever device you wish to use. This instruction sheet will help you with the directions for your specific device. A link to this instruction sheet can either be found in Google Classroom or in the form for this assignment. As you can see, the instructions are simple and very easy to follow with just 3 steps. And as you can see, we have all the specific devices. Just find the device you're using. If you need any further instructions, there is a link right here. Once you've downloaded the app, simply open it and know that this is the app that holds your books on a virtual bookshelf. If you want to add to your virtual bookshelf, go up here in the right-hand corner to your profile and simply go to Add Books. This does pop you out of the app and take you to the internet to browse books. You can browse in the search bar by entering a title, an author, a keyword, ISBN, any of those different things. Or you can go to the high school section and simply browse some of the cool new books that they have in there. I will tell you there are some great reads in here. One that I can think of is the book Stamped. Very popular new book. If I want to put this book into my bookshelf, all I have to do is look here. I can go into it and read about it, the synopsis, and see if this book is for me. Look at the information. I can get a preview of the audio here, and I can add it to my bookshelf here. Right above it, it does tell you the formats. This is a voice text, so it does have both the audiobook and the text available. Once I add it to my bookshelf, I do have to click out of the internet, so either minimize or get out, and I get back into the app. If for any reason the app isn't there, all you got to do is click into the app again. On my bookshelf, if I can't find the book, all I have to do is go here and say update my books and then look for the book I just checked out. Let me find, there it is, guys, and I have to download my book. It only takes a moment to download your book, and once your book is open, it will start reading immediately. That's one of the bonuses. So I'm going to go ahead and let it do that. It should be done here in just a second. And we're going to go ahead and play our book. As you can see, it does highlight the words as it reads. If you want to make notes, let's say you're using this book for a class and you want to make a note, all you have to do is click there. You could keep notes on vocabulary you need to look up, words that you want to use, or phrases that you want to go back, little tidbits about the theme or a character, anything like that. Do make sure if you make any notes that you do press save so that those notes will be saved. Oops. There you go. So you can fast forward, rewind, do all of those different things. I hope that you guys enjoy using Learning Ally. Know that you can not only use this for books for your classes, but you can use it for pleasure reading. Your teacher can track how many pages you've read, how many minutes you've read. So it doesn't allow you to sit idle because it does keep track of the pages that you go through. So it's a great app for your teachers to assign books and things like that. If you already have a book assigned in your class, it should be in your bookshelf. If for some reason it's not, go ahead and go look the book up and put it on your bookshelf yourself and enjoy.